In this video, I'll show you how you can upload a video to YouTube. Now, first step, guys, is you want to go to youtube.com and from in here, log into your YouTube account. Now, once this is done, you will have a little button here that says create, and you're gonna press on it. From in here, press upload video, and you will come to this page where you can now drag your video, or you can select it in the select files. I'll just quickly select something random. Let's say I want to do this one. Press OK, and let it upload for a little bit. Now, once you come in here, you can choose the title of your video. You can make a description. You can upload your thumbnail. You can add it to a playlist, and you can choose if it's for kids or not for kids. Also, what you can do is you can add tags to your video, which will help people find your video easier. You can select the language and all of the date and location, all of this stuff down here. Now, then when you come over to video elements, you can do the subtitles, you can add the end screen and the cards. From in here in the checks, it's just gonna check if your video is copyrighted or anything like that. You don't have to do anything in here. And for the visibility part, you can make it private, you can make it unlisted, or you can make it public. That's basically what you can do on the YouTube, guys, and it's super simple to upload a video. Basically just upload the video and go just one section to the next, to the next, to the next, until everything is filled out like you want it to be. And that's how you can upload a YouTube video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.